Hello and welcome to another update video on Solana. Yeah, a few days ago I shared with you here on the daily chart that the price is attempting to break out of this price channel, this corrective price channel, which has now actually happened. So hopefully that was a good heads up just in time. The price has therefore continued now its upside momentum. Nothing major yet, okay, so we don't really see an aggressive vertical uptrend yet, as it often would happen in a third wave, but the wave structure here remains valid and plausible. So the move to the upside is potentially, that's currently what we're tracking, obviously based on the condition that support levels are holding, right? But the current idea is we could be in a third wave, and eventually this move up is likely going to take us towards $360 to $380. That would be ideal. Of course, there are many, things that can go wrong along the way. So at every juncture, I will present you the relevant pivots, the relevant key levels and targets. If things go wrong here, we could still get another low in this wave too, potentially. But I think if we really break down now, it becomes more probable that we're going to retest the June low and could find support in this lower support region, located between $109.89 and $133.32. But for now, the direct move up is unfolding, and I will show you on the smaller time frame what I am watching for now and what the relevant micro support levels are and what specifically needs to happen here to confirm further that really here in the beginning of August, the price bottomed in this wave 2 at around $155. Yeah, I mean, it's promising and everything, but we have, for example, not broken above the May high yet, and we still need to break above the July high, so but that should be happening next if we are really in a third wave. Now let us take a look at the shorter time frame for Solana. Now you see here just everything zoomed in. We're now basically zooming into this scenario, which suggests that a wave 2 could have bottomed already. I just showed you that. You can, I haven't really shown this trend line here separately on this chart on the smaller time frame, but this is basically the trend line that the price broke out above. And we, obviously are in an uptrend, in a local uptrend. And funny enough, or maybe not funny, but it's interesting, we have now reached this previous swing high, this resistance level at $182. So the price has done what it needed to do in this third wave. I shared that with you only yesterday, that my preference would be for this third wave to reach $182, because this is an ideal target for a first ideal target for this third wave. So basically, if we assume that a wave 2 bottomed here in August, I just shared that with you, $155, then the next degree of confirmation will come with a 5-wave move up. At the moment, we have 3. And the 3 waves look technically complete or nearly complete. So if it fails, then it should happen from this region, and the price should break below $169 next. I mean, that is the Fibonacci support zone here, and the break below the zone would indicate that we might need one more low. That would simply extend this wave 2 correction, which started here in July, on the 22nd of July. So I would prefer, for the cleanest and most straightforward bullish scenario to confirm that, I would like to see a 5-wave move up. So we want to see in the next pullback a higher low form and then a higher high, so that we get 5 waves to the upside. If we don't get 5 waves, probabilities will increase that we will revisit, first of all, the lower support zone here on this time frame between $152 and $140. If we also can't hold this support zone, then we will likely retest the June lows. But for now, I'm tracking this scenario, and I'm working based on the assumption that we've bottomed in August. But to confirm that formally, we need all 5 waves. So basically, a wave 4 pullback is now due. Support is between $169.40 and $174.56. And I'm just waiting to see some more downside momentum. I'm not calling for a local top here. I mean, when the market is bullish, we can easily extend higher more directly. So I want to give you the next upside levels to watch as well. Just saying, now wave 4 is due, now that we've reached the first ideal target there. So the next upside levels are around $185.60, $188.40, and $192. That's the update on Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.